You won't believe how rugged this van is on the outside, but how comfy it is on the inside. Let's come check it out. So this is a 2025 Mercedes all-wheel drive 170 Sprinter. Let's come check inside. So these are swivel seats, so you can just sit around, lounge, and it's just a different seating arrangement rather than just your regular normal driving. This right here, you can just pop this open and work, and then this is also a cup holder. This is another seat, it swivels also around. You can also have just other people chilling here. Over here, you can find your electrical system, so you can turn your water pump on, your water drain, your water heater. This is also your Starlink, so you can access your internet off-grid. This is over here your max air fan, so it circulates air in and out, so when you're cooking, all the steam can come out and it'll help. Over here is a removable shower head, so you can just take that off, put it back on. And then over here is a Laveo dry flush toilet, so you don't have a black water tank, and so it just helps get rid of smells when you need to go use the toilet. Over here, you could find some more storage. So you could just hang your clothes right here and then put them on these shelves as well. These are some storage for up top on your bed, and then you'll also find lights and outlets. Up top, you'll find your nomadic AC unit, and then you'll also find more storage cupboards up top. This is a Vizio 32-inch TV, so you could just swivel it all around, watch from inside the van, from over there, and then over here as well on your bed. This is a memory foam bed, and it's also a queen size. This is where you can access your garage. You can access your garage from inside of the van and outside. You have some more storage for your kitchen utensils. This is a isotherm 130 fridge, so it will keep your fridge nice and cool, and also has a freezer inside. This is a 700-watt contour microwave, so if you don't feel like cooking, then this is perfect for you. This is an induction cook stove top, so if you don't have to worry about any heat coming in. This is an acacia butcher block countertop. This comes right off, so you can also like hide your stuff, so you don't have to worry about when you're traveling, everything moving around. This is movable, so if you want to just wash your dog off, this is attachable just like that. This is another counter space, so you'll have more counter space to just cook on. Over here, you'll find a table, so if you want to just sit outside and chill, and you'll also find some of your control panels out here for your lights. This is a shoe cupboard, so if you want to not track any shoe mud, then this is perfect for you. This is your running board, so it'll help you get inside of the van. These are upgraded black Rhino wheels, and then over here is our upgraded Van Compass suspension. This is a Vanco front bumper, and then up top you'll find some upgraded lights. Up top is a Vanco roof rack, and you'll also find 400 watts of solar power. This is also a Vanco ladder, so it'll help you get up top. This over here is our Vanco storage. So you'll just prop this open, and then you can put some storage inside. This is another black Rhino wheel, so in case you get a flat. Over here is our Van Essential storage. You'll find it on both sides of the van. Right here, you'll find the water heater and then a 33-gallon water tank. And then this right here is our Blueborn electric system. It's 800 amp hours. And then this is also a Victron energy system. You'll also find outlets over here. This is also where you'll find your electrical system. These are Vanco pull-out trays. So if you don't feel like going inside of the van, you can pull these out and then put your stuff and then put it back inside. This right here is an outside shower. So if you want to attach your shower, this is perfect for you. So you have two people showering at the same time. Over here is a Vanco storage box. This also comes out as a table. So if you want to cook out here, this will also be perfect for you. Up top is our one-up roof rack. So you can put two bikes up here. And then this is a nomadic awning. So if you want to just chill outside under the shade, this is perfect. Thank you. Have a good one.